guys, I just received my Apple Watch Series 5. We're gonna open it today. Let's go. My watch arrived this Friday, September the 20th, and it's a big difference from my Series 3, so I am super excited to see it and see what's new. I got the Series 5 gold aluminum case with a pink sand sport band, 40 millimeters, but we'll talk about sizes in a bit. I love Apple products, and this part is so satisfying. Okay, you open it like this. Lovely print. Okay, what's in here? The band comes separately. Alright, nice. We'll open that later. And here it is. It's a nice little pouch. It has the same gold color as the Series 3 and Series 4 for what I've been told, but we'll confirm that in a minute. I love the new crown too with haptic feedback, and I'm gonna have to be super careful with this one because it's got sapphire crystal and ceramic back with electrical heart sensor, and in the middle you have the second generation optical heart sensor. It seems thicker than the Series 3, but the Series 3 is 11.4 millimeters and this one is 10.7. But the heart sensor is not as flat as on the Series 3. Anyway, beautifully designed in California. That little hole is a microphone and the side button below. Pretty much the same design as the Series 4, but since I never got that one, it's all new to me. It has Ion X strengthened glass, improved ambient light sensor, Bluetooth 5.0. Here's a speaker. Also water resistant 50 meters. And LTPO OLED display 1000 nits. It has to do with the display and the brightness. Okay, what else is in here? So we have instructions, and it says attach the band, put it on, and pair it. And here it talks about the watch face, digital crown, side button, and how to charge it. This one talks about safety, battery, and warranty. No stickers yet. The wrapping box is so cute inside. I'm gonna keep this one. Okay, so the box has the watch, the cable, and the power adapter. And here's the band. At the Apple Store, when you buy your watch, you can create your own style and select different bands. But I had credit at Best Buy and they only have standard colors. The colors available at the Apple Store for silicone bands are lemon cream, clementine, pine green, Alaskan blue, stone, and red, plus the standard colors pink, sand, white, and black. You can also request nylon bands in different colors, and that's for the aluminum watches. Okay, so on the inside you have the instructions on how to place the bands and all that. Very helpful for those who don't know. And here's the band. It looks lighter than the one the Series 3 came with. You get small, medium, and medium large. Okay, so these bands are so soft. They feel expensive and heavy, and I love them. The metal piece is silver, and when I got the Series 3, the metal matched with the gold watch. But that's okay. Maybe Apple will send them to you to match your watch if you order from them. I don't know. Let's try the band. I wanted the clementine band for my watch, but I might get it later. Okay, so it is super pretty, very delicate color, a bit heavy. It does seem thicker though, a little bulky, but I can get used to it. When the Series 4 came out and I was using my Series 3, I didn't like how big the 4 was, but I think I'm getting used to this size now. I have to sync it with my iPhone, and you need to have the latest software on your iPhone, so do that first if you don't have it yet. If you place them close to each other, they'll pretty much do it themselves. It already knows there's a new Apple Watch close by. You have to place the watch on the camera, and that was fast. It's already doing it. Okay. I'm going to select set up as new watch. I wear it on my right wrist because I'm a lefty, and the crown on top because I'm a princess. Just kidding. Terms and conditions, yes, I agree. Checking Apple ID. And shared settings, okay. No passcode, no. Updates, I'll do them myself. Okay. Installing apps, I'll do it later. And that's it. It's pretty easy. Your watch is ready. Press the digital crown to start. Okay. Ah, this is cute. So now the watch app sees my watch. Oh, good. Now, a lot of you have asked me about 38 and 40 millimeters difference, and that doesn't have anything to do with the size where the band or the adapters go, okay? Because those measure the same. The difference is in the screen. You see? 38 across. So the screen here is 38. And here is 40 millimeters. So that is the difference. Okay, let me show you with a different face. By the way, you see that line going up? That shows only on camera on the Series 3. It was a pain whenever I wanted to take a picture under the sun. But it doesn't show on Series 5, so it must be the OLED display. Okay, so now I'm going to show you measurements with this face so you can see it better. The area that shows the picture on the screen, that's 38 millimeters, and here we have 40. So now you know what they mean. And so the bands for these watches are the same size, whether it's 38 or 40 millimeters. So if you have a 38 millimeters watch and you want to buy a band that only comes in 40, that is okay, and vice versa, because they're the same. And the same goes for the 42 and the 44 millimeter watches. And I bought another gold watch because I love it more than any other Apple Watch color, and also because I have so many beautiful bands that have gold adapters and I want to keep using them. Like the Saffiano Initial Watch Band by Casetify. I select the colors and the letters. It was so much fun. The Poppy Ribbon by Monowear from their new cocktail collection. Look at those adapters and the buckle. And also from Monowear, the Saffiano leather band with the butterfly clasp. And the lovely Harris Tweed strap by Vario, just to name a few. So if you're coming from a Series 3 like I am, you'll see a big difference also on the inside. With 64-bit dual-core S5 processor, it's 2 times faster than the Series 3. Built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery, up to 18 hours of battery life, 32 gigabytes capacity, wow. Better speakers, fall detection, that's interesting. And always on Retina display with Force Touch, which means it always displays time. And many more new features. This is how it looks on me, and although it is a bit big, I think I can get used to it. It is very comfortable. This is a new face, by the way, and you can also get it on the Series 3. You just need to update the software and check the other faces that you can use on other models. And here's one last look with the Series 3 on my wrist. And oh my, it's a big difference, but I think I'm liking it already. I bought some protection ahead of time. I got a clear case and a screen protector like a film. I've used them for my Series 3, so I ordered a bigger size. I'll do another video soon to show them to you and to show you how to place them. But I'm gonna add the links on the description now in case you want to go ahead and get them. And I'll play with my watch a bit more and make another video showing you more details later and the new things that I find interesting about it. I want to wear it for some time and see, give you my thoughts on it later. But I can already say that it is way faster. I really like the haptic feedback from the crown. The colors on the screen look brighter. And I like the new faces with so many shortcuts to different apps. I just have to try them all. I will post all the links of the beautiful bands I just showed you down on the description. And I will take pictures of this watch accessorized with different bands, which is the main thing I do. I review Apple Watch bands. So I'll add my Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter links as well so you can see them and join me there if you like what I do. I have more videos on my channel, so feel free to go check those out. And I really hope you enjoyed this review. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe if you want to see more videos, and click on the bell so you don't miss them. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!